Wait, are you accidentally ruining your skin every single day? Guys, whether you're new to skincare or a beauty lover, these 5 skincare mistakes are super common. And trust me, they might be why you're not seeing that glow up. Stick around till the end. I'll also tell you how to fix each one. Let's start with over-cleansing. Washing your face too often, especially more than twice a day, can strip away your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry, irritated, or even breaking out. Instead, cleanse just morning and night, and pick a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that suits your skin type. Oh, and skip those harsh scrubs. Your skin is not a dirty dish. Next up, sunscreen. I know, you've heard it before, but it's worth repeating. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Even indoors or on cloudy days, UV rays can damage your skin, leading to premature aging, dark spots, and fine lines. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, apply it every morning, and reapply if you're outside for long hours. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Here's a sneaky one, using too many actives at once. It's tempting to layer on retinol, vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, but your skin needs time to adjust. Start with one active at a time, use it a few times a week, and gradually build up. Mixing too many actives can cause redness, peeling, or breakouts. Remember, less is more. Let's not forget about the neck and hands. These are often the first areas to show signs of aging, but most people stop their skincare at the jawline. Extend your moisturizer, sunscreen, and treatments down to your neck, and don't neglect your hands. A little extra product goes a long way. And finally, patch testing. Before you apply a new product all over your face, test it on your inner arm or behind your ear for a few days. This helps you avoid allergic reactions or breakouts. It's a simple step that can save you from a major skincare disaster. Did you spot any mistakes you've been making? Don't worry, we've all been there. Hit subscribe to join the Archika Beauty Family Sparkling Heart, and check out my next video where I'll break down a simple, beginner-friendly skincare routine that actually works. See you there. And remember, skincare is self-care.